scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with a new kit share. So this is from the scrapbooking store, which you can find at scrapbookingstore.com, and I will also have a link down below to that you can use to get me some credit. If you use my link, then I get like a commission. So that is who this kit is from today. And I have been a member of their kit club or design team member for, gosh, I think it's been like 5+ years now. I don't even remember when I started. It's been a very long time. And I love this kit club. Okay, so this month's kit is called At Home, and it's by Carta. I love the Carta kits because they are super good quality paper. So here you can kind of see we have the sticker sheet, some of the pocket papers, the 3x4 and 4x6 papers, and then some of the embellishments here. And these colors are right up my alley. I love pinks and blues, like navy blues, turquoise, and like a burgundy red. Super love these colors. So I'm super excited. Okay, so we will just jump in. So the papers are the main kit. So if you are a member and you only get the main kit, you will get all of these papers in your kit. So this first paper is a nice navy blue, and this one is called Wonderfully Beautiful. And on the other side, we have this gorgeous floral, which is going to be so hard to choose which side to use because I love a good navy blue, but I also love a good floral. Look at those colors, like they're just so pretty. Okay, that will be very hard to choose from. Then we have the 3x4 journaling cards paper. So on the other side of the journaling cards, we have this nice, gorgeous wood grain, which is super pretty. Always love a good wood grain. And then here are the 3x4s. And this year I am noticing a lot of rainbows, and I am totally a rainbow girl. So I absolutely love all of the rainbows in all of the collections. Okay, then here we have this nice pink, and it's called Simple Thing. And now here we have this nice pink, and it's called Simple Things Signs. And then on this side, we just have a bunch of signs about family, enjoy the little things. It's the simple things in life that matter. Just a bunch of different sayings, home sweet home. So this one would be a good one to like cut apart all of these signs, but because it's on the back of this pretty pink, I probably will just use the back of it instead. Okay, then we've got this nice burgundy, and this one is called Good Morning Moths. And I definitely love this side the best. The moths are cute, I will say that. Yet, I love the burgundy. Okay, then we have the 6x4 journaling cards paper. So this side has the 4x6s. And then on this side, we have the fun pattern, and I probably will use this side because I love a good funky pattern, especially with all these pretty colors like the pink and the turquoise and the kind of like mustardy yellow. It's really pretty. Oh my God. Ugh. This video has a lot of bloopers. It's fine. Okay, then we have this kind of mustard yellow, and it is called Perfect Poof, which is very interesting name for a paper. And I'm not usually a yellow or mustard yellow kind of girl, so I really do love this though. And I'm very surprised by that. This one, I guess this is the reason why they called it a perfect poof, because they just have a whole pattern papered of poof balls. I don't even know. Then we have this gorgeous turquoise, and it is called Beautiful Chaos Flowers. Ooh, that is going to be another hard decision. Again, they always put the florals on the side that I absolutely love the pattern paper on the back. So that is sad. Very sad day. And then we have the 4x4 journaling cards. So this one has a bunch of 4x4s, which are really cute. I do love all of these. I probably will cut these apart, if I'm being honest, because, I mean, I like a good floral, but this one's just kind of too plain for me. So I'll probably stick to that side. Then we have this nice kind of medium green. I love the pattern. And this one is called Wicker Basket. Ooh, I like that pattern too. Ooh, that will be another hard one to decide. It's really fun. Okay, and then we have this really pretty navy and green flower. That is really cute. This one is called Must Have Macrame. Ooh, I really like this background too. You could use this as like a border. That's going to be another hard one to decide which one to use. Then this one is called Multi-Journaling Cards. So this one has different sizes of journaling cards, which I do like these different sizes. This one has 4x6 and 3x4s on it, which you don't always see that. A lot of times it'll just be all sorts of different sizes. So this one is a little bit more, I don't know, would you call that symmetrical? But those are cute cards too. I might just cut this one up. I don't know, because I do like this side as well. Ooh, another hard one to decide. Apparently I just needed 2 of every pattern paper this month. Okay, then we have this orange, which I'm not a huge orange girl, and I definitely absolutely love this paper on this side, so I probably will use this side if I'm being honest. Okay, and this one is called Bursts of Color, and that is like the perfect name. I definitely think I will do a nice background on that. And then last but not least, we have the stickers, and I love it. I love these. They are all so cute, and the colors are just so pretty. Love these colors. This is like a perfect kit for September with like the start of fall coming. And in Idaho, I feel like fall always comes super fast after summer. So I'm super excited. Okay, we'll put the papers to the side, and now I'm gonna show you let's see, what do we got here? I'm gonna show you the embellishment kit. So if you do the add-on every month, or if you just do it whenever you can, this is what this month's embellishment add-on it looks like. And I did pull out the frames and tags. So it's always exciting when they send the same ephemera pack that we have the papers from, because we don't always do that. But this one is from the same collection as the papers, and it is the frames and tags. So there are 34 die cut cardstock pieces. And these, I took them all out of the packaging because I wasn't sure if you'd be able to see with the glare. So I'm gonna kind of spread them out and show you. These are so stinking cute. Like, I'm so excited to use this kit. Okay. And it's fun when there's lots of little pieces, because you can just kind of stick them on layouts. And they're not super big, so they don't take up a ton of space. I love this cute little one. It says, "Be happy for this moment. This moment is your life." I love that. And we've got the florals. I love the floral ones. There we go. I love it. Okay. Now I'm just gonna pull out these. These are from Rosie's Studio, and these are gemstones from the Fanciful collection. And they are so stinking cute. Like, look at that. They've got like gold in the colored ones in the middle, and then sparkles. What are sparkles called? Glitter on these end ones. So fun. I love that. Okay. I think I'm gonna take out this piece of paper so I can take a photo. And then we also have these alphas from Simple Stories. And this is foam stickers type keys. They are called Simple Vintage Essentials. Come on, focus. So really simple. I like that with alphas. Makes it easier to use them. It looks like they're kind of worn, and it's got like some graph type texture on it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's really yummy. Love, love, love. Okay, well, that is it for this month's kit. If you're not already a member, make sure you use my link to go and pick up one of this month's kits. And I will be back probably next week with my very first layout. So I hope you guys have a great scrappy day. Bye.